Hello, my name is Harold Burrows. I'm a student at Quincy Sigma Community College in the Advanced Manufacturing class. This is my final capstone project. It is called Datsun 240Z Sound Deadener Kit. It was pretty imperative that I made a bunch of these full-size template scale cutouts for mocking up in the vehicle before I decided to go and manufacture the part. So here's the material that I used. It is a high volume 1 pound per square foot density vinyl with a PLA sticky sided back. It comes in rolls, so I have to cut it into manageable sizes. And I stick it on a CNC router and it drags a scalpel through the material and cuts it. Now my first couple iterations, the material wasn't being able to hold down very well on the table. So in places where there are holes that I knew would be cut out, I put a couple of flat washers and some screws and screwed it down to the sacrificial piece of plywood. In the end, I was able to make a full-size scale product out of the material. So this is the final product.